Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Games ka Bahanriu, kalapoy no siya kabakut ha ka arpsantrik ukla lingkot hamadan kiang nong ba stadium Jowai. Ha ka jingidan lang usembut Menteri Rangba ka jela, uba sniaw bhalang dhar, bat UMLA ka Jowai, uba wailat miki shilla. Ha ka ni ka lumpung ba ka jela, lay shimbenta palat lay hajar sans pa angut kinong yelekai, ha ki arp kundai tali ki jat jing yelekai. Ka East Khasi Hills kalapau kum ka overall champion, da ka bakur shispa South Khandai tali kita kemakser, shispa santali kita kemarupa, bat shispa arpunyo tali kita kemarnong, bat baru akilong laispa prapway tali kita kema. Ka West Jante Hills kalayo ya ka kerdan ka baar, da ka bakur shispa pratali kita kema, kentup lai pusau tali kita kemakser, arpunyo tali kita kemarupa, bat saupunyo tali kita kemarnong. Buat sakari boy kabala kursi spa sautli kita kema kentup live hoteli kita kemakser live santli kita kemarupa but live kendai teli kita kemarnong. Deputy Chief Minister uba sniaw bhalang dhar kum ukongsan ulayro ya kajing long renti bat kajing treshitom jong baro ki badan benta. Ngisngau sarong banong bangila bit ban penlong ya ka National Games laong uba dhar. Ula benrap ru bakatanat sports kajela layo I ya kajing kiyo kabakraw hapo kajing alam ka sorkar MDA da kabapen kiyo ya kamang katingka bat kajing penroy ya kajing tay ya kamadan ya lekai football ha mau khanu kabalabu banlong kamadan ya lekai football kabahe tam ha India kan pelong ya kajela Meghalaya kum kanong ba ya lekai football jongkari India. Ula pentip baya ka Meghalaya Games ka bawan ompat tikna namar baga jilla kan penkre na kabenta ka National Games haus nem hajar punyo. Ha kan ni jingele kai la yashim bentaru daki hinyongut ki para athletes. Ki bapin I ya ka jingla banya kun bat ka jingedon bentalang. Ha kan ni ka sngiru lapin sawa daki jingrai jongga jilla Meghalaya bat belapin I ya umaskat ukyang. Ladon langru u presiden ka MSAO u John F Karshiyeng but Deputy Commissioner jangka West Jante Hills District uba BS Solia nalor kiwe.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That is Sri Vailat Miki Shilla, MLA Jowai and Chairman of MUDA. Telling him with respect that he is our Deputy Commissioner West Jante Hills, Shri B.S. Solia. They've won so many medals. Please cheer them up once again with a loud applause. Looking very colorful, captivating our hearts and our minds. These are all the athletes. 3,500.
more to say, but only the appreciation and gratitude to each and everyone who have been a part in making this sixth Meghalaya game a huge success. I would like to thank the President of the dignitaries of the dais and of the dais, to all the participants and to each and everyone present here today in this closing ceremony. At the beginning, I still remember last year in Pyrda, when we were given to host the next edition of Meghalaya Games. I know it's a huge challenge because we never have hosted an event of this scale. But today, I'm so happy and so proud because of the collective effort of each and everyone. Today, we are gathering here for this closing of 6 Meghalaya Games. So today, I'll request to each and everyone, especially the participants, as I laid out, to those who have been a part in making this 6 Meghalaya Games a huge success. I will urge you to please give them a round of applause.
From different parts of the state, especially from the three regions, Khasi, Garo, and Jatia, they are coming together and celebrate and take part in this 6 Meghalaya game. Joong Giromba Hak Sport is the only event kabila manilong kumsipara. Wala na kajing ele hakapor barang ele lo. Handai daladem ni ay kublekti bora arliang. That is the spirit of sportsmanship kyang. Kenmau, I would like to inform you, the state government, we are not just having a Meghalaya game, we are building the future of our youth in the future generation. Sakaway, nakuha ka manayapi, naligikin mo, hakiprang ikindaislem kibalalay, ka-sport department, kijuang the minor department in the state. Handray, hakijing yalam jong the government under leadership of our Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Manta Kalalong, the major department. Mensuam chua katulot hakwede but budget Handray at least for the last 6 years the Sorkar to improve hakilian borok hakwede but the sport infrastructure.
By 2022, the 4th Meghalaya Games, we featured 19 disciplines. And later that year, we hosted 18 disciplines at the 2nd Northeast Olympic Games 2022. In 2024, the 5th Meghalaya Games in Pyrda, West Garhwal's district, it expanded to 23 sports disciplines. Today, we are proud to say that we conclude the 6 Meghalaya Games with an incredible 25 competition sports and 4 demo sports, a total of 29 sports. We are also pleased to create awareness that medal winners are now eligible for cash awards and sports scholarships, a step towards encouraging and rewarding excellence in sports. In the 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 in Tura, we saw over 95% of participants from Khasi and Jaintia Hills visit Garo Hills for the first time. Similarly, this year, we asked all the Garo Hills athletes, and we are thrilled to see 95% of participants from Garo Hills are visiting Jaintia Hills for the first time this year. Let's give them a big clap of welcome.